Okay, welcome back to another Tiny Troopers video. I ain't done this game in a while, but yeah, I'll play it. Next time I play this game, comment down below what level I should do. Like, comment down below what level I should do next time I play this game. I'll try and go on the game a little bit more. I'm going in on my hardest level. So, I'm going to go into the armor, because I definitely need more than one person. So I'm going to go back. Oh no, I couldn't get anyone. Right. That's annoying, but I just do this. No, too expensive. Splat. I'll just stick with my outfit I've got on. And then I'll do it. Oh yeah, this is the easy level. I've already done it, but last time I did this level, I wasn't the best at it. But the first time I did this level, I was really good at it. Oh no, I'm losing. Look. Oh yeah, there. Oh, he's shooting at me. Oh, so that's what was happening. Yes, I can move on now. Well, this is, oh yeah, oh no, I died. Well, I'll have to try another level now. I don't know, not really good at this game. But, you know, carry on trying, and that's all you need to do. Now, I'm going on the hardest level. The level that I'm on. Oh, now I can buy people now. Look. Oh yeah, I can buy 2 of him. And I could buy 1 of him. I'm gonna buy 2 of him. Oh no, I can't buy 2. Only 1 you can buy. Well, I'll know for next time. This is the hardest level. I've only made it like halfway on this level, not even that. Because it's so hard, this level. There's thousands of people against 1, like 4 people. I'm going here first because there's a lot of people here. Well, I've done that bit really good. Can I go this way? Oh no, why did I come this way? Oh, this is the hardest bit, but I have to stick. Because there's a person who's got a fireman. Oh no, one of my men died, I think. Maybe not. Oh no, why did I do that? Oh no, you need a medic quick. I forgot about that. Ah, no. I'm on. I died. No, can you see? I'm rubbish at this level. 5 minutes in and I'm rubbish. I'm gonna do another go. One more go. You can choose your difficulty on this level, and I'm on difficulty 1, and it's still really hard for me. Should go on this game more often. I think I'm gonna choose this one, the one that's got a lot better than all the other ones. Oh, wait a sec. You're saying I ain't got enough money to get it? Oh no. I ain't got enough money to get the not very good one. After 3 people in. Not very good though. Same level again. After this, I'm gonna end this video because I'm no good at this game. Literally. Fire in the hole! I like it when he says that. I'm gonna go straight this way this time. This way. I don't know what I was saying then, but I'm just go straight this way because I don't want to lose any health from it anymore from my player. I'm just gonna go this way. Well, I'm winning, I guess. The people with them on are more armoured than me. Like with their helmets on. Oh, energy boost stream. Speed boost. Did you just hear that? When it said, yeah, when I took the energy thing, it said, literally breathed. It said it was so nice, literally, it's so strong. Oh no. Well, no good at that today. Well, I think I'm going to end my video here. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you subscribe and hit that like button. Be happy for next time.